Hello dear students, here we are back again with our mathematics of class 8. In the previous classes we have done exercise 2.4 till question number 7. So today, without wasting any time, let's move to the next question, that is question number 8 of exercise 2.4, page number 32. Okay, all of you take out NCERT book, page number 32, question number 8 of exercise 2.4. Chapter number 2 is linear equation in one variable. Okay, so question number 8, look into your books what they are saying. They are saying half of the herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. They are saying that there is a group of deer. Herd of deer means there is a group of deer. There are so many deers, they are in group, and from the total number of deer, half of the deers are grazing in the field, and out of that remaining, after half, they are saying 3/4 of the remaining are playing, and the rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So whatever they are saying, that you have to find the number of deer in the herd, take it as x. Let the number of deer in herd or in group is equal to x. Now according to question, what they are saying, that half of the deer are grazing. So we will write grazing, deer who are grazing is equal to half of the total. Total is x. So half of total is x. So half x. Okay. And out of that remaining, from remaining they are playing. Remaining, how many are remaining? Total minus half x. So total minus half x is x minus half x remaining, and how many are playing? 3/4 of the remaining. This is remaining, and 3/4 of the remaining is like this. Okay. So if we will equate it, if we will solve it, we will get 3/4. X minus half x will be half x. Okay. Okay. So after that, what they are saying, how many are drinking water from the pond? Drinking water from the pond are how many? 9. Okay. So we have to find the total number of deer grazing. So what we need to do, total is x, and 3 situations they have given. So we will add all the 3 situations and we will equate with x total. See, grazing plus playing plus drinking water. Drinking water is equal to total deers is equal, total deers are x. Okay, grazing is half x and playing is plus 3/4 into half x, and drinking is 9. So when we solve this equation, half x plus 3/4 into 1/2 is 3/8. 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3, plus 9 is equal to x. So bring all the x variable terms on one side and 9 to the numeral to the other side. So 1/2x plus 3/8x, and this x, positive x, will come to this side minus x, and this 9 will go to this side minus 9. Okay. So we will take the LCM. When we take the LCM, we will get 8. So 2 into 4 is 8. So 1 into 4 will also be, we have to do 1 into 4. Okay. Plus 3 into 1 plus minus 8x. Okay. So this is equal to minus 9. So 4x, is it visible to all? Yes. 4x plus 3x minus 8x upon 8 is equal to minus 9. Then cross multiplication will be done like this. 4x plus 3x is 7x minus 8x, and this is minus 9 multiplied by 8. 9 8 is 72, and minus x. Minus minus gets cancelled, and value of x will be 72. So total number of deer will be 72. Okay, this is the answer. Clear? I hope it is clear to all. So number of deers in the herd are 72. Clear? This is the answer. Now let's move to the next question. Now in question number 9, look into your books what they are saying. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. There are two characters in this question, grandfather and granddaughter. They are saying grandfather is 10 times older than granddaughter. That means if granddaughter is 5 years old, then granddaughter is 5 years old and grandfather will be 10 times of granddaughter. That is 5 into 10 is 50 years old. Okay, the 10 times difference is there. And they are also saying he is also 54 years older than her. So two situations they have given. According to question we will solve. So first situation is this: let granddaughter's age is equal to x. Okay, we have to find the ages of both. And grandfather age is equal to 10 times of granddaughter. That means 10 into x. Okay. After that they are saying the next situation is this, that grandfather's age is 54 years older than granddaughter. That means x plus 54 is equal to grandfather's age. Okay, but grandfather's age we have assumed is 10x. So can we write 10x in place of grandfather's age? Yes, of course. So 10x is there, x plus 54 will be there. So x terms will go to this side, 54 will remain here. 10x minus x will go to this side. 9x, 54, x will remain here, 54 will go in division. Clear? Is it clear or not? Yes. So 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54. So value of x is 6. That means granddaughter's age is 6 years old and grandfather's age is 10 into 60. So granddaughter we will write here, granddaughter age is equal to 6 years and grandfather age is equal to 10 into x. That means 10 into 6 is equal to 60 years. Clear? 60 years. Okay, very easy question. Note down and let's move to question number 10. Yes, question number 10. Look into your books. They are saying that Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. There are two characters again in this question, Aman and his son. So what they are saying that Aman is the father and Aman or anybody else, he is not saying Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. His father, Aman is father and his son is 3 times younger than Aman. 10 years ago, before 10 years, he was 5 times his son's age. Before 5 years, he was 5 times, before 10 years, he was 5 times his son's age. So according to question, we will write, let the son's age is equal to x and Aman's age is equal to how much? Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. So that means 3 times. 3 times of son means 3 into x. Now according to question, what they are saying, 10 years ago, before 10 years, what was the age of Aman? Aman was 5 times his son's age. When we talk about 10 years ago or 10 years after, what we need to do, if ago or 10 years before, we will subtract the same age from this number. Okay, if you are right now today you are 15 years of age and before 10 years, what was your age? 5 years, na? 15 minus 10. So similar is the case here, that son age, present age is x. 10 years ago, what was the age? X minus 10. Okay, and Aman's age is also 3x minus 10. Now according to question, what they are saying that 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Who was 5 times? Aman was 5 times his son's age. So this is son age and Aman is this. Aman age is this 10 years ago and what is this? 5 times his son's age. So we will operate it like this: 5 into x, 5 into 10 is equal to 3x minus 10. Bring all the x terms together and their numerals together. 5x minus 50 is equal to 3x minus 10. X come to this side and numerals will go to this side. Minus 50 become plus 50. Okay, it will become minus 10 plus 50 is equal to 40, and 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x. So x is equal to 40 upon 2, that is 20. Okay, so value is x is 20. So son's age is 20 years old and Aman's age is 20 into 3 is 60. Okay, son's age is 20 years and Aman's age is 3 into 20, that is 60 years. So this is our answer, and here we have complete our exercise 2.4. I hope you all have understood. In the next video I will share the questions of exercise 2.5. I hope you all have understood this, and if you have any doubt you can ask me anytime. And now God bless you all.